In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy page to another project in Webflow. So firstly, open up Webflow and log into your Webflow account. Once you've logged into your Webflow account, open both the sites. I mean, like the one where you want to copy and to which project you want to paste it to into. So both projects. So for example, I've got this project here, one of mine here, just for demo. So I want to like copy this page to another project, which I'm gonna just open it here. This one. Okay, this project doesn't have much, so I'm gonna copy it to here. So to copy a page, there is no actually, unfortunately, direct ways where you can simply click on it and then copy the page, a direct simple way. So we don't really have that. So what we can do if you want to copy a page, simply open up the page here and then click on the navigation tab here. So which is this one here on your left side, click on the navigation tab. From here, you will see all the sections here, all like here, right? So don't expand any of these. So just make it condensed. Okay, don't expand it. Okay, once you're done with that, once you have like not expanded, so what we're going to do now here is we're going to manually copy and paste it. So each segment here, so each segment here on your website here, so you're going to click, select it and then copy. Okay, and then go to your here to the new project, the navigation tab here, and then paste it here. So you go to manually select where you want to paste it, which component, select it and then paste it from there. So you can simply copy from here with Ctrl+C and then go to the next website here, paste it with Ctrl+V. Okay, so you have to I know like manually do it for each section and sections. Like not the your perfect way of doing it, since but there is no any other direct option to do it. So this is like an alternate way. So you have to section by section copy and paste it manually. So this is how you can copy page onto another project.